So now let me show you how to generate. As you can see how to generate, let me show you how to generate a report. So if you are working for your outsourced client, so if they are asking for you to report in 1 week or 2 week or 1 month report of their Facebook ads, so first let me close this one. Campaign is off. Now you can generate custom report. Just click on reports and you can just export these tables or you can create custom report. So first let me export this table. So export custom table, and I want XLS viewer. So click here. Sweet, and you can view XLS viewer online. Just go here. It's too many ads. XLS viewer. So it's XLS file viewer. Yeah, this one. Just load here, and here you can see. Here you can see the result. As you can see, result 1230, and you can see 1230. You can see here this column reach. Actually, here is the scroller. Okay, so yeah, amount is spent 10.96, and here we have 10.94, which is exactly the same. So yeah, this is the way to generate report, or you can just import this table into some presentable format, which is Excel, or you can use any other analytics report. So now let me show you how to generate custom report. Just click on reports, and from the drop down click create custom reports. So from here actually you can generate report what exactly you want. So yeah, so campaign is inactive. Campaign name delivery, I don't want, for example, I don't want this one. I don't want this one. Result, reach, impression, CPA, I don't want this one too. So yeah, from here you can filter out, or you can, if you want add creative, you can just click here, and in the table you can see the ads creative. Okay, or you can, if you want objective, and here you can see the objective, which is traffic. So this ad got 89 clicks. Okay, and this ad got 118 clicks. So this is how you can filter out. Now just have to name this one domain flipping sell by FB ads. Okay, now click on save. Yeah, now it's saved. Now click on this drop down and save as. Now to export, to download this report, you can from here just click on this download export, and you can choose your format, XLSL viewer or raw data viewer, CV format, even on PNG format. So let me export as XLSX viewer. Click exporting, and as you can see, now here we have the data. So yeah, so this is how you export your data. Now let me go back and click on this one report to see. and here you have all the data. You can see reporting start, reporting ends, CPR, amount spent, which is total amount 10.96. So yeah, this is carousel ad. You can see this is image ad, and this is, yeah. And this is how to generate, Facebook ads report. You can just you can just export this table, or you can just create custom report. So, or you can share this link to your client. So this is how you can generate Facebook ads reports to your client. So as I have shown you now, this is the result of 1 week, as you can see. And this is, let me show you 2 days in my monthly Facebook ad. You can see one campaign load, 8.2 spent. So yeah, frequency. So this is it, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more case studies, and if you want to hire me, I'm looking for a job. So yeah, please be in touch with me. I'm working on my site, which is allinads.com. So yeah, thanks for watching.